In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Shopify subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect on each screen, and a few helpful tips so there are no surprises. First, open the Shopify website and sign in to your Shopify admin. You want to be on the main dashboard, not the storefront. If you're managing multiple stores, make sure you're logged into the correct one before proceeding. The cancellation option is only visible when you're in the store's admin where the subscription is active. Once you're in the admin, look toward the lower left corner of the screen and click Settings. This is the area where Shopify groups your account and store controls. It may look slightly different depending on recent updates, but Settings will always be your starting point for billing changes. Inside Settings, find and click Billing. The billing page shows your current plan, past invoices, payment method, and any upcoming charges. This is the place where Shopify centralizes plan management so you can make changes with confidence and see how those changes affect your account. If you already have an active subscription, you'll see an option here to cancel or deactivate. Shopify often labels this as Deactivate Store or a similar phrase indicating that you're ending your subscription. Click that option to begin the process. The system may ask you to confirm your choice, select a reason for cancelling, or review any remaining charges. Follow the on-screen prompts and confirm when you're ready. Once confirmed, your subscription will be cancelled and your store will be deactivated in line with Shopify's policies. A few quick notes to help you make an informed decision. Cancelling stops future subscription charges, but any outstanding invoices or usage-based fees already incurred may still be due. If you're using third-party apps, those can have their own billing outside the main plan, so it's a good idea to review your app list and understand where the separate charges might apply. Also, some stores may see options to pause instead of cancel. Pausing keeps the store on hold at a reduced level, while deactivation ends the subscription. Choose the one that best fits your situation. After deactivation, your storefront will no longer be accessible to customers, and admin access will be limited. In many cases, you can return later and reactivate by choosing a plan again, though policies and time windows can change. If you don't see the cancel option, double-check that you're on the billing page of the correct store and make sure your browser is up to date. When in doubt, use Shopify's help resources directly from the admin to get assistance.